Okay guys, we want to change the screen over here that is cracked, and you want to exchange it. I bought it from I think from eBay, about like a 30 bucks. This is a brand new one. This one is cracked and I want to change it. First we have to take off this piece from here, the big piece, this big piece from there is coming out very easy with this tool, plastic tool. And we have also this piece on top of here. We take it out. After that, we open the center and we take off this one. This has come out with this tool as well. It's easy to take it off. And we have to take off this one, this piece as well. It's coming out easy because we have a center is hold this piece. Okay, we'll leave this stuff over here and hang it out over here because we don't want to take off the harness over there. Next step is we have to take off the other side one, the passenger side. But we have to be careful to don't damage the leather. This is coming out. So after that, this center. And this one, there's a harness over here. We take it off, and this is for the lights. We have to open this screw as well to take off the CD DVD player over here. Okay guys, we have 4 balls here, 6 actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have to take off this. But be careful to don't drop them. Okay guys, when we take off these bullets, we have to also take off this too, because it's gonna give us more room. We have to do this. This is gonna come out. We don't need to take off all these, We don't need to take off all. We just put it down and it gives us some room to take off the harness from the back. So first of all, we have to take off the harness from here. As this one. This one is coming out easy, and we have some harness over here. This one. This one. Okay, after we take off this, we have one in the left side as well. And right now, whole box is off. Okay guys, we have to take off these screws from the side. Okay guys, you have to take off all these screws. There was two in the side, and we have 1, 2 over here, 1, 2 over here, and 1, 2, 3 over here. Okay guys, after that we have to open all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws to take off this panel off. We're going to do it. Okay guys, when we take off these screws, this panel is coming off. We put it in the side, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws the sides. We have to take off these screws as well. Okay guys, right now we can actually able so guys, as long as you see all these screws, we have to take it off. No matter how many, just take off the screws.
That's not
Okay guys, right now this is gonna come off. Very easy to get access to these 2 screws and take off this harness from here. Okay guys, we have to remove these screws over here, and we have a small harness over here that we have to take it out with a small screwdriver and take off this too. So right now we have the screws over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is 2 screws in the side, but we don't need to take it off. We just need to loosen them a little bit. To take off this panel from here, we need to do all this. So guys, we start to unscrew these screws. There's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is 2 over here, 1, 2. Okay guys, after we take all those screws, we're gonna just pull this like this, and we take off all this panel. Oh my god. Have a stuff in it. We'll be good to go. Okay guys, the reason we take this panel off, that is we have to access to these screws over here. This 4 screw to take off the screen. We have a little bit harness over here, but you have to be very careful to take it off because it's very small. And we take it off like that. So right now we go to open these screws. I usually put the screws around separated. I don't want to be mess with those. So right now, let's open it. Okay guys, after we take off these screws, we have 1, 2, 3, then 4 screws over here. And when we take it off those screws, boom, the screen is gonna come off. So guys, after we take off those screws, this screen is very easy to take it off. It's coming off. And this is the new one. Just we have to put the screws back on and push this little harness back inside. I hope it works good. Okay guys, as you see, this is the old one with all cracks over here. And this is the new one. Just make sure when you want to put it back in, take off this little plastic protector. And put it back in. But you have to take this one. So guys, we put all the stuff. Okay guys, we put all the stuff together, all the screws, we open it, we screw down again, everything is on, and if you see, this is the new screen. We go to put it in there on the car. So guys, if we put all the stuff together, we have to reconnect the harness from the back first and screw back the stuff and put all things together. I hope it work. So okay, we put first this harness back, second one this, third is gonna be this one. It's coming over here. Okay, we have this and that. This is for the right side and this is for the left side. Okay guys, we're gonna put the last piece in. It's very easy. And this starts up. Okay guys, we put all the stuff together. Right now we turn it on to see what's going on. Yeah, here we go.